So students, in this session I'll just explain briefly about synthetic division. Now in class we have seen long division method, isn't it? How to factorize polynomials. Like if you're going to get a 3 or a 4 marker sum saying completely factorize this polynomial. Okay, so x cube plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26. We know how to factorize. Firstly we have to find out one of the values, isn't it? One of the roots. So when you say p of 1, that is putting x is equal to 1, we have seen 1 cube is 1, 10 into 1 square, that is 10 into 1, 10, 37 into 1 is 30, minus 37 into 1 minus 37 plus 26. Of course, when I add 10 plus 1, 11, 26 plus 11 is 37, which gives me 37 minus 37 is 0. So p of 1 is 0, which only implies that x minus 1 is a factor of the polynomial p of x. Okay, so x minus is a factor of p of x. This is what we know from remainder and factor theorem. And I told you, just like for 30, if I know one of the factors too, if I find the quotient, 2 15s are 30, isn't it? So 30 minus 30 is how much? 0. So this 15 in turn can be split as 5 into 3 and I can get the other two factors. So in effect we'll say 2 into 3 into 5 will give me 30. The same logic here. So I have found out one of the factors by inspection, we say. In maths we use trial and error, we say, isn't it? So I found out x minus 1. In long division you know how to find out. So you will be putting your x minus 1 here and your p of x polynomial, the dividend polynomial, this polynomial. Okay, that will come here and you will find your quotient. You'll find the quotient. You should get 0 here because it's a factor, right? Performing the series of steps. We know that. Now that is long division. What I will do is I'm going to perform the same thing using a technique called synthetic division, where I don't have to go through the process. It's not that one is long or short or difficult or easy. You can adopt anything. Sometimes synthetic division seems easier. We'll see how it goes about. So now x minus 1 is a factor, isn't it? Now x minus 1 is a factor means at p of 1 is equal to 0. That is, when you put x is equal to 1, this p of x vanishes. It becomes 0, right? So put that 1 here. Now I'm teaching you synthetic division. Put that 1 here and look at the polynomial. X cube plus 10x square minus 37x plus 26. 37x means x power 1 it becomes, okay? And 26 means 27 into x power 0. X power 0 is 1. 26 into 1 it is. So x cube is 1x cube. Let's put in the coefficients here. It's 1, then it is 10, then it is minus 37, and then it is 26. So 1, 10, minus 37 and 26. Alright, the first thing, put a 0 here. This will be by default. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is how much? 1, no? 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 into 11 is 11, right? Now minus 37 plus 11 is minus 26. So 1 into minus 26 is minus 26 and you will get 0. Now you started off with what? Cubic polynomial, right? This is x power 3, x power 2, x power 1, x power 0. Alright. Now here this will be x power 2. You have reduced it, no? And as in you have divided it by x minus 1. So it will reduce by 1 power. X power 2. This will correspond to x square and this is x power 0 or it will be the constant term. So you will get x square plus 11x. No, sorry, this is x. Okay, x square plus 11x minus 26 into x power 0 or just minus 26 is fine. So this is what you will get. And this, of course, you can factorize further. Especially in the middle term, you're aware of it, isn't it? X square, you can break it up 11 as 13 and minus 2 and we can proceed. This is quite familiar. Even Sridharacharya's method is there, or you can use splitting the middle term. So this is about the synthetic division. See, you have to put 0 here. You have to write the coefficients with the proper signs. Okay, and whatever value is making it equal to 0, that value, x is equal to 1, no? That a 1 should be put here. 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 ones are 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 into 11 is 11, minus 37 plus 11 is minus 26. 1 into minus 26 is minus 26. And of course, you have to go on till you get 0. You will get 0 here eventually because x minus 1 is a factor, isn't it? And then it will be scaled down. If it's x power 3 here it will be x power 2. So I hope this has been helpful for you to understand synthetic division. I'll bring out more examples.